Today activities பார்க்கலாமா?
Yes.
Okay. அதாவது English conversation. ரெடியா? Start.
Hello. May I please speak to Sadhana?
Hello. phone காதுல இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு கையை கால்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. Start.
Hello. May I speak to Sadhana? May I know who is speaking? I am Sukanti, her friend.
உன் பேரு
Just-
I am Pratiksha.
I am Pradiksha, her friend. Just a minute. Sadhana, it's for you. Hello. I am not able to hear you. Ray, speak a little louder. Hi, Sadhana. I mutable. This is Pradiksha. What a surprise. I am.
அப்படி ஆச்சரியப்படு. What a surprise.
What is surprise?
ஆச்சரியப்படுறீ. ஏய் அம்மா எப்பா அப்படி சொல்வல அந்த மாதிரி. What a surprise.
What a surprise. I am good. What is the matter? I am going to the library tomorrow. Will you like to come with me? Of course, I need to renew my membership. Good. Be ready. I will pick you up around 9 a.m. Okay, I will be ready.
Okay, bye bye. சொல்லுங்க.
Bye.
Thank you. சொல்லுங்க.
Thank you.